Hey guys, it's Jesse, the Jesse.Davenport, coming from Guaranty RV Supercenters. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016. It's a Camplite. The siding on this is all aluminum on the sides, aluminum in the frame, and aluminum on the front. You come around here on this side, you see the electric jacks. And in here, you got your little levelers in here, all your fuses, easy access. You can see the aluminum frame and your valves and everything in there. Little levelers they got on the sides here. In the back inside here, you got your toilet area here. This one has a backup. If you come inside here, there's a nice little stereo there on the right. You have a fan above, the fantastic fan above, and an air conditioner. This unit comes with a TV. It's got a lot of storage here. There's your bathroom area. Just a nice lightweight camper. This camper has Asdale, it's lightweight, doesn't mold. LED lights on the inside and outside. Look at these switches here. Nice hinges. You can see all the aluminum frame. Comes with all the hoses. And if you got any other questions though, my number's on the screen there, and give me a call on my cell phone, 541-515-0764. Thanks for looking.